Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the essential facts: train number, destination, platform, and departure time. Once done, open your recording app and capture 3-5 seconds of room tone for consistent mixing. Speak clearly into the mic at a steady distance. Use one short sentence per line so edits are simple. Make sure to keep the first take purposeful and concise. You will refine timing and emphasis in the next pass. You now shape the announcement. Trim unnecessary space and align breaths so phrasing sounds natural. Once tidy, set pauses, 0.5 to 1 second between phrases and a 3-second pause before vital info like platform or boarding. Make sure to equalize mid-frequencies to clarify consonants and apply gentle compression so volume stays even across stations. Listen through loudspeaker simulation if available. Adjust timing so passengers have enough time to react to each instruction. You finish by exporting the file at 148K HZ and a clear bitrate, then upload to the playback system. Once uploaded, test the message live over the PA at operational volume and listen for masking or distortion. If crucial words disappear in station noise, re-record those phrases with slightly slower pace and stronger consonant emphasis. Make sure to replace only the faulty segments and retest if feedback occurs. Reduce gain or change mic placement before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.